Ever pondered how to make your breakfast more thrilling? Or how to bring a little more chaos to your morning routine in a delicious way, of course? Today, we're diving into the delectable world of muffins with a recipe that's sure to cause a muffin mania meltdown. Our journey begins by cranking up the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. While the oven preheats, we're getting our muffin tin ready with paper liners. Next, we're whisking together our dry ingredients in a large bowl. That's 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of granulated sugar, a tablespoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon each of baking soda and salt. The dry ingredients will form the backbone of our muffins. Now let's shift gears and focus on our wet ingredients. In a separate bowl, whisk together 1 cup of buttermilk, half a cup of melted unsalted butter, 2 large eggs, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. This wet mixture is what's going to give our muffins their moist, fluffy texture. The magic really starts to happen when we combine the wet and dry ingredients. Pour the wet ingredients into the bowl of dry ingredients and stir until just combined. Remember, we don't want to overmix. A few lumps here and there are perfectly fine. Now here's where the meltdown part comes in. Divide the batter into portions and customize each with your chosen mix-ins. Fancy some chocolate chip muffins? Or perhaps blueberries are more your thing. Maybe you're a fan of nuts or shredded coconut. The choice is yours. Once you've customized your batter, spoon it into the prepared muffin cups, filling each about 2/3 full. For an extra touch of sweetness and crunch, sprinkle the tops of the muffins with a dash of cinnamon sugar. Then, into the oven, they go for 18 to 20 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center of a muffin comes out clean. Once baked, give them a few minutes to cool in the tin before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. And there you have it, a delightful assortment of muffins that will surely cause a muffin mania meltdown at your breakfast table. So, why not give it a try? After all, breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and with these muffins, it could also be the most exciting.